Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Today is actually my first full day back at work. I've got 2 classes today and then I've got classes the rest of the week. I'm starting a new 12-week term today. Last week, when I was messaging my current students, I got a message back from one of my better students telling me that she was really looking forward to starting classes again because, in her own words, she'd forgotten all of her English over the holidays. When I got this message, I responded by saying, "Come on, pull the other one." If you say or write "pull the other one" in response to something somebody said or written, you basically mean, "I don't believe what you're telling me." Sometimes people say, "pull the other one, it's got bells on it." And I guess this comes from the idea of "you're pulling my leg," meaning you're winding me up, or you're joking with me, or you're trying to make me believe something that's not true. So, for example, someone tells you that a friend of yours is 61 and you don't believe this. You just respond by saying, "She's 61. Come on, pull the other one. She's never that old. She doesn't look a day over 50. Maybe when you're chatting about holidays, a friend of yours, who you know isn't the adventurous type, tells you that they went mountain climbing. What, you went mountain climbing? Come on, pull the other one, it's got bells on it. You couldn't even climb a ladder without getting the fear. And maybe if someone tells you, for example, as one of my friends once did in the pub, that they're distantly related to the royal family, again, you might just respond by saying, "Yeah, right, pull the other one." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "pull the other one."